it was the process that you laid out made it so easy to understand. And where do I go? Right? Where do I go and where can I take this? That's what in my mind, like I was telling you, oh my God, I could do things on all of those. I'm just starting to come out again, right? Coming out of the spiritual closet per se, right? And to do this work. So it was perfect because I could do I like courses. I could see courses, books. It's all coming like I am so on because it just triggered and opened the door within me of everything that's in me and that I want to help people with, right? It opened that servant's heart so much. And I've been in the 9 to 5 job and I'm just like, the hell with that. Yeah, I'm blown away. I'm just gonna say it. I'm just blown away. I'm just blown away. I'm excited, but more importantly, I'm excited and inspired.
You see the path forward.
I definitely, without a doubt, it opened that door and I'm like, because that's where I was. I was stagnant. I was like, oh, what do I do? How do I put this out there? How do I put what I do into words? That was the biggest thing, right? And it's not it was just so easy because and I liked how we kept refining and you helped me I was just talking and you were just typing things in and then it was like spitting and I'm just like, yes, I would say that. Yes, I would say that. The best part of today was your guidance in how to get ChatGPT or Sarah using Serafina to get deeper into who I am and who I serve. That was the best part for me because I don't go that deep, right? And I when I do my prompts, I haven't been going that deep. And the way you just came up with things. Well, you need to add this. You need to add this. And I was just like, oh, never even thought of that,
Yeah.
right? So that was the best part for me. Yeah, so excited.